John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw a Pokemon. I mean, how to draw a cartoon. And if you like how to draw a Pokemon, this lesson will be fun for you because you're going to draw this little cute little character. And before we get started, as I always say, if you have a pencil and if you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. All right, I'm excited just as much as you are because I like Pokemon. Anyways, so let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what can you take home from this lesson as I share? Well, most of the time I share in my videos at the end, I always say, use your imagination. And what do I mean by that? Exactly what Pokemon's about. They take objects, two different objects, and combine them together to make this unique character. That's what you can do. Now, I'll challenge you. Take something like a coffee cup and a butterfly and put the two together. Take an orange and a flower and combine them together and put some little insect legs on them, whatever. Use creative names too, as they did. That's what's really fun about art, using your imagination. I know you got it. So, as always and always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.